Yo, you trying to go top down today, bro?
Yeah, sure, I'm down.
Damn, yeah, my fault. You can't take it with.
No, man.
It's just kind of clean, though. Yeah, what year is that?
13.
2013. All right, sick.
It's mad cold out here today.
No, yeah, it is, man. Cold out. It's definitely a mistake for us to be going top down because it's like -30 degrees down here. Yeah, where are we going?
I'm going to Walmart, man. We're going to get the 5 best products to keep your car clean in the winter. Meguiars Gold Class Leather and Vinyl Cleaner. This stuff gets the dirt and the grime out of your seats and basically keeps it looking like showroom style, you know? It's looking golden. And if you pair it with this stuff will keep it conditioned and looking good for ages. Interior detailers, this stuff basically is for your dash and your trim pieces. It keeps it looking nice and clean and it leaves that nice satin finish.
Alright, so this is Meguiars Hot Rim Aluminum Wheel Cleaner. It really does a good job on cleaning up the brake dust buildup around your wheels, and it keeps your wheels really clean. Alright, so this is Meguiars Ultimate Waterless Car Wash. This is a really good way to clean your car really fast without the hassle of getting hoses or anything, you know, getting a bucket of water. The only thing is you need to apply a lot of the solution so that you don't risk scratching up your paint. This is Meguiars Hot Shine Foam. Keeps your tires looking really dark and really black, giving it that new tire look. It's pretty cheap too, and this is the product I recommend. Alright, so these are basically all the 5 products you need to keep your car clean. Yeah, we have.